Good morning, class. In the last lecture, we are studied right circular cylinder and volume of whole cylinder. Now, in this lecture, we are studying volume of right circular cone. Right circular cone. Let's see right circular cone. In our day-to-day life, we come across object like a ice cream cone and conical tent. We know that ice cream cone like a right circular cone. Ice cream cone कैसा होता है? In this way, these are a ice cream cone and this is the ice cream. So this is the ice cream cone like a right circular cone and a conical tent also right circular tent. ये हम टेंट रहता है conical tent. So this is like also right circular cone. A right circular cone is a solid generated by revolving a line segment which passes through a fixed point and which make a constant angle with fixed line. That point is a fixed point P is called the vertex of the cone and fixed line PO is called as the axis of the cone. In this diagram, P is the fixed point and rotate revolving around this, and this radius is R. O is the center of cone. So they are revolving, so make a circle at a constant. So this make in a circle, and P to O is the height h. It is the length PO. So also called as this is the height of cone, and this is the diameter. A to B is the diameter, and OB is the radius of this circle. Length of PO is the height of a cone, and length of the line segment joining the vertex to any point on the circular edge of the base is called as slant height of the cone. Shown in a figure, this is the slant height, and PO is the height of the cone and slant height is a PA, and also PA and PB, both are the slant height. Means vertex from segment joined to the any point on the circle. So P2 B is a segment and P2 A is also segment. So they are joining in any point on this circle. So they get slant height of the cone. So PA and PB are slant height of the cone. Consider a right circular cone of height h, slant height L and radius R shown in a figure, and angle POB is a 90 degree. So we know that POB is a 90 degree because of perpendicular to AB. This is a slant height that is L, and OP is the height of cone is h, and R is the radius of this circle. And by using Pythagoras theorem, we know that square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of their adjacents of square. Means hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent side square plus adjacent another side square. Means L square is equal to R square plus H square, because of this is the hypotenuse and these are adjacent two sides, because we take this angle is 90 degree. So by using Pythagoras theorem, PB is equal to OP PO and means PB square is equal to OB plus OP square means L is L square R square plus H square. So L square plus R square plus H square. Now multiply by under root. So under root and square get cancelled. So L is equal to under root R square plus H square by using Pythagoras. इस फॉर्मूले से हम लेंथ फाइंड करेंगे. लेंथ मीन्स दिस वन PA, PB and PL also same slant height. So L means slant height. This is the relation between height, slant height and radius of a right circular cone. This is the relation between height, slant height and radius of a right circular cone. Cone can be made from a sector of circle sec OAPB by bringing radius OA and OB together as shown in a figure. Means in this way, this is a sector of the circle OAPB. This is a sector of circle bringing AB means bringing line A to B. ये हमने लाइन निकाल दी. So sector of OAPB. Okay, then show in a figure means in this way. If R is the radius of a circle, then length of R will be 2 pi R. We know that perimeter of circle, that is a 2 pi R, means circumference of a circle with radius R, so 2 pi R. And if L is the radius of sector OAPB, here L, we take a radius of a sector, this one, then L will become the slant height of cone. Means this L is the radius of sector OAPB. Means ये ऐसा circle आएगा. So this is a radius. Slant height is a L means radius हो जाएगी of the sector OAPB. Then L will become the slant height of cone. Curved surface area of cone is equal to area of sector OAPB, which is given by area of sector. Curved surface area of cone is equal to area of sector. They are same, OAPB. So area of sector is equal to length of arc multiplied by radius. Means उसकी arc multiplied by radius divided by 2. We know that length of arc is 2 pi by r, and here the sector OAPB radius is L. So here covered surface area of cone is equal to the area of sector. So area, we can also write covered surface area of cone is 2 pi r. We putting the value of 2 pi r multiplied by radius is L divided by 2. So 2 get cancelled. Pi r L. Covered surface area of cone is pi r L. Now total surface area of the cone means total surface. We take covered surface area and base. Means we are also finding this base. हमने फाइंड किया कवर सरफेस एरिया. अभी ऐड करेंगे बेस को. सो दैट इज टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ कोन. सो कवर सरफेस एरिया प्लस एरिया ऑफ द बेस, दैट इज पाई आर स्क्वायर. सो पाई एन आर कॉमन आउटसाइड, पाई आर प्लस एल प्लस आर. Here base is a circle here base is a circle, so area of a circle is pi r square. So we write here pi r square. So pi r get common, so pi r L plus r. Cover surface area of cone is also called as lateral surface area. Means cover surface area of cone is also called as a lateral surface area. This is a very important. ये ध्यान में रखो, cover surface area of a cone, only for a cone, is called as a lateral surface area. Now finding volume of cone. Volume of cone is a 1/3 of area of the base multiplied by height. Means area of का base है उसका 1/3 part and that is a height. So 1/3 of means 1/3. Area of base is pi r square and height is PO, that is height of cone, this is h. ये height है and this is the slant height. So original height is h, that is PO. So this is the volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h. Now take one example. Find total surface area of cone if it is a slant height is 9 meter and radius of its base, means base का radius दिया हुआ है 12 meter. We know that r is equal to 12 meter and length slant height means we divided by L is equal to 9 meter. So we have formula total surface area of a right circular cone, that is pi r plus L, means L plus r or r plus L same as it is. So pi r plus L. Now putting the value of r and L, and we know that pi means 3.14 and 22 divided by 7. Pi की वैल्यू है 3.14 and 22 divided by 7. Both are same. Now we are putting the value of r, that is 12, and here also r is 12 plus 9 is height, slant height, L is 9 and 22 divided by 7 means pi, so they give 792 meter. So total area of a right circular cone is 792 meter square. This is the answer is 792 meter square, means total surface area of right circular cone is 792 meter square. Now another, a radius and slant height of a cone are in a ratio, that is 4:7. If it is covered surface area is 792 centimeter square, find the radius. अभी हमको ये रेशियो में दिया है, रेडियस इज 4 and slant height is 7. They give in a ratio and covered surface area is 792 centimeter square. Now find the radius. हमको r find करनी है. So now r is the radius and L with the slant height of the cone given. So given that in a ratio, so RL in a ratio we can write ratio RL is equal to 4:7 and say x. हम फाइंड करेंगे x की वैल्यू, तभी हमको रेडियस मिलेगी. So because they are given in a ratio, so RL 4x and 7x, so is equal to x. So R is equal to 4x and L is equal to 7x. और हमको दिया है कवर सरफेस एरिया. सो वी टेक कवर सरफेस एरिया इज इक्वल टू 792 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर एंड कवर सरफेस एरिया मीन्स पाई आर एल. पाई आर एल इज इक्वल टू 792 centimeter square. Pi means 22 divided by 7. R is 4x multiplied by 7x is equal to 792. Now here 7 get cancelled and 4 multiplied by 22, so they give 88x. Now 88x, so our 88 are multiply here going opposite side, so they are divide, and here x multiplied by x, so give x square. So x square is equal to 792 divided by 88. So 88 9s are 792, so x square is equal to 9, and we know that x square is equal to 3 square. 3 square means 9. So multiply by under root, so square get cancel, x is equal to 3. So are we putting x value in this one? So r is equal to 4x means 4 multiplied by 3 12 centimeter, and slant height L is equal to 7x means 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. So radius of the base of the cone is 12 centimeter. So this is the radius of base of the cone, that is 12 centimeter. Now another example, a tent is of the sphere of right circular cylinder up to height is 3 meter. Here are sphere, but first take a right circular cylinder. So we take first right circular cylinder means this one. These are a cylinder, height is 3 meter. Then becomes a right circular cone, and here right circular cone also with maximum height is 30.5 meter means total height is 30.5 meter. Now in this way this cylinder height is 3 meter, so 30.5 minus 3 meter करेंगे, so 10.5 meter, that is the cone height is 10.5 meter. Above the ground means we know that above the ground. Calculate the cost of a painting the inner side of the tent at the rate is 2 rupees per square meter if a radius of a base is 14 meter. बेस की रेडियस दी हुई है 14 मीटर, एंड हियर वन cylinder and then cone, whole height is 13. We giving that give circular height is 3 meter, so 13.5 minus 3, so they give cone height that is 10.5 meter and gives radius that is 14 meter. हमको फाइंड करना है कैलकुलेट द कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रिंटिंग इनर साइड ऑफ द टेंट. हमको इनर साइड पेंट करना है एंड उसका रेट है 2 रुपीज़ पर स्क्वायर. एक पर स्क्वायर पे 2 रुपीज़ है, तो हमको टोटल खर्चा कितना आएगा वो फाइंड करना है. हियर आर बी द रेडियस ऑफ अ बेस सिलेंडर एंड एच बी द हाइट, सो आर इज इक्वल टू 4 एंड एच इज द 3 मीन्स सिलेंडर की हाइट है दैट इज 3. एंड कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ सिलेंडर वी नो दैट कर्व सरफेस एरिया, वो कर्व है उसका सरफेस एरिया है 2 पाई आर एच. एच इज द हाइट ऑफ सिलेंडर एंड आर इज द रेडियस ऑफ बेस. सो 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय पाई मीन्स 22/7, 14 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3, so 7 2 the 14, so 2 multiplied by 22 is 44, 44 multiplied by 2 is 88, so 88 multiplied by 3 that is 264 meter square. So this is the figure. This is the cylinder that height is 3 meter and total height is 13.5. So 13.5 minus 3, so that is remaining is 10.5 meter and radius is r. So first we calculate the covered surface area of cylinder, it is given 264 meter square. Now radius of a base cone, that is same because cylinder have a same base on both side, so base of a cone is also same, so same radius that is 14 meter. So radius of a base of cone tent is 14 meter and height of a conical tent H1, here conical tent H1 is equal to 13.5 minus 3 meter because they are given total height is 13. Now here minus cylinder height, so they give only conical tent height that is 10.5 meter. Now slant height of a conical tent, we know that L is equal to under root r square plus h square, means h1 is a cone height, so r is a 14 square plus 10.5 square. 14 square means 196 and 10.5 square is 110.25, ऐड किया तो 306.25 and under root of 306.25 gives 17.5, means line height is 17.5. Cover surface area of a cone tent is pi r l. Pi r l is the cover surface area of cone. Pi means 22 divided by 7 and radius is 14 and slant height means L is equal to 17.5 meter square. So here we can solve 17 to the 4, so 2 multiplied by 22, so 44 multiplied by 17.5, so they give 717 meter square. So हमको टोटल एरिया निकालना होगा. सो surface area of cylinder plus surface area of cone, so they give total surface area of tent. So total area which is to be painted, हमको जो पेंट करना है वो is equal to cover surface area of cylinder plus cover surface area of cone, means surface of cylinder, area of cylinder and cover surface area of cone ऐड करेंगे तो टोटल टेंट ऑफ सरफेस एरिया आ जाएगा. तो टोटल एरिया विच टू बी पेंटेड, हमको जो पेंट करना है वो कवर सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर प्लस कवर सरफेस एरिया ऑफ कोन, दैट इज 264 प्लस 770 इज इक्वल टू 1034 मीटर स्क्वायर. सो ये हमको टोटल एरिया मिल गया. ना हमको फाइंड करना है कॉस्ट कितना उसके लिए खर्चा आएगा. सो कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंटिंग इज 1064 multiplied by 2. Here 2 rupees for per square. So 1064 multiplied by 2, so that is 2068 rupees. For total area they give 2064 rupees. So cost of painting of tent is 2064 rupees. The area of a base of a right circular cone is a 314 centimeter square and height is 15 centimeter. Find the volume of cone. अभी वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना है कोन का. वॉल्यूम मीन्स वो कोन में कितनी कैपेसिटी है, कैपेबल है वो स्टोर करने के लिए. तो उसके अंदर कितनी जगह है वो हमको फाइंड करना है. वॉल्यूम है उसका कितना. सो दे आर एरिया ऑफ बेस मीन्स उसका बेस का एरिया दिया हुआ है सर्कुलर कोन का, दैट इज मीन्स ये बेस है वो दिया है 314 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर एंड हाइट दी हुई है 15 मीटर. सो फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन. सो एरिया ऑफ बेस ऑफ कोन इज 314 centimeter square and height is h 15 centimeter. So volume of right circular cone, that is 1/3 of means 1/3 pi r square multiplied by h means height. So 1/3 314 multiplied by 5, 3 5s are 15. So 5 multiplied by 314 means 1517 centimeter cube. This is the volume of this cone. So volume of right circular cone is 1517 centimeter cube. A right angle triangle ABC means this one right angle triangle with the side is 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 13 centimeter, revolving around 5 centimeter. मीन्स अभी वो 5 सेंटीमीटर रिवॉल्व कर रहा है, मीन्स घूम रहा है, रिवॉल्व अराउंड अबाउट 5 सेंटीमीटर. देन फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉलिड obtained. Find also ratio of the volume of the two solid obtained when triangle again revolve about साइड 12 सेंटीमीटर. फर्स्ट हमको फाइंड करना है कि ट्रायंगल रिवॉल्व अबाउट साइड 5 सेंटीमीटर एंड देन ट्रायंगल अगेन रिवॉल्व अबाउट इन 12 सेंटीमीटर. हमको रेशियो फाइंड करना है दोनों का कि रिवॉल्व अराउंड 5 सेंटीमीटर एंड रिवॉल्व अराउंड 12 सेंटीमीटर. मीन्स फर्स्ट रेडियस इज 5 सेंटीमीटर एंड देन रेडियस इज 12 सेंटीमीटर. मीन्स फर्स्ट हम देंगे रेडियस आर इज इक्वल टू 5. सो वो वॉल्यूम, उसका वॉल्यूम फाइंड करेंगे तो वॉल्यूम 1 एंड अनदर वी टेक रेडियस 12, उसका वॉल्यूम 2. सो उसका हम रेशियो फाइंड करेंगे. Here ABC is a right angular triangle. AB is equal to 12 centimeter, BC is 5 centimeter, and AC is 13 centimeter. When this triangle is revolved around AB, it forms a right circular cone. Radius BC is equal to 5 centimeter, and height is AB is equal to 12 centimeter. Shown in the figure, that is a right angle triangle. So this is the revolving side. So they are revolve around 5 centimeter, that is radius, and height is 12 centimeter. And this is the another side of triangle. So V1 is the volume of the solid form. We finding first radius r के लिए find करेंगे volume 1. This is the volume of solid form. So volume of the cone of a radius 5 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter के लिए we know that volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square multiplied by height. So 1 by 3 pi r is of 5 centimeter and height is 12. Now multiply solving this one, so they give V1 is equal to 100 pi centimeter cube. हमने पाई को सॉल्व नहीं किया because we want in a ratio. So V1 is equal to 100 pi centimeter cube. When triangle ABC is revolve around BC, means B to C revolving, and it form right circular cone of a radius AB. Means circular cone A to B. मीन्स वो ऐसा रिवॉल्व हो रहा है. दिस इज द रेडियस. सो दिस इज द मूविंग इन दिस वे. सो दिस इज द रेडियस ए बी. रेडियस ए बी इज इक्वल टू 12 सेंटीमीटर एंड हाइट देखिए 5 सेंटीमीटर. सो वो ऐसा हो जाएगा. तो उसकी हाइट 5 सेंटीमीटर एंड रेडियस इज 12 सेंटीमीटर. सो V1 इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ सॉलिड फॉर्म. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन with radius 12 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. So 1 upon 3 pi multiplied by 12 square because of r square. So 12 square multiplied by 5. So 3 here it cancel. So 240 pi centimeter cube. Now we are putting in a ratio. So required ratio is equal to V1 V2. So they are 100 pi and 240 pi. So this ratio we can also write in a 100 multiplied by divided by 140 and pi get cancelled. So 0 also get cancelled. So 2 5s are 16 and 2 12s are 24. So 5 divided by 12 means 5 2 means 5 12. Sorry, 5 12. So ratio of volume 1 and volume 2 is 5 12. So relation required ratio is 5 12. Next one, a semicircular sheet of a metal of diameter is 28 centimeter. So diameter is 28 centimeter means radius half हो जाएगी, means 14 radius हो जाएगी. 28 divided by 2 means 14 centimeter radius हो जाएगी. is bent into a open conical cup. वो bent है open conical cup. Find the depth and capacity of cup. मीन्स उस कप का डेप्थ मीन्स वो कितना नीचे तक है मीन्स उसकी हाइट फाइंड करनी है, एंड कैपेसिटी मीन्स उसकी वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना है। वॉल्यूम मीन्स वो कितना कैपेबल है, वो कितना स्टोर कर सकता है, मीन्स कैपेसिटी, उसकी कैपेसिटी कितनी है मीन्स वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना है, मीन्स हाइट एंड वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना है उसका। Now solve. When a semicircle sheet is bent into an open conical, then slant height of a conical cup is L is equal to radius of semicircle sheet, that is 40 centimeter. Let R be the radius and H be the depth of the conical cup, means उसकी वो कितना depth है, that is the height. And circumference of the base of a conical cup is equal to circumference of a semicircular sheet. Circumference of base means उसका base of cup is equal to circumference of a semicircle of sheet, means this one. So their diameter is 28 means radius are 40 centimeter. So हमको ऐसा हुआ है, वो हमको हाइट फाइंड करनी है एंड उसका वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना है। सो circumference of a semicircle means circumference of a base of conical cup. So we know that 2 pi r pi multiplied by radius, means pi multiplied by radius, that is the circumference of semicircle sheet is pi multiplied by radius, and circumference of base of conical cup is 2 pi r, and here semicircle is means वो हाफ ही रहता है, semicircle है, so pi multiplied by 40. So here pi get cancel and 2 are multiply here, so they are divide. So r is equal to 14 divided by 2 means r is equal to 70 centimeter. So now हमको उसकी डेप्थनेस फाइंड करना है, मीन्स उसकी हाइट फाइंड करनी है. सो वी नो दैट एल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू आर स्क्वायर प्लस एच स्क्वायर बाय यूजिंग पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. Using Pythagoras theorem, so L square is equal to R square plus H square. So they are R is plus here, so going opposite side they are minus. So L square minus R square. So H is equal to under root L square plus L square minus R square. So putting the value of L, that is 14 because of length. Because of length, here slight height of the conical cup is L is equal to radius of a semicircle of sheet, means वो radius of a semicircle of sheet, so that is 14, and r is equal to, that is radius is r square. We are putting the value of L and r, that is 14 and 7. So now solving this one, so they gives 12.12, h is equal to 12.12. But depth of the conical cup is 12.12 centimeter. Now finding the capacity of cup means volume of the cup. So 1 upon 3 pi r square multiplied by h. So 1 by 3 pi means 22 divided by 7, and r is a 7, so 7 square, and height is 22.12 or sorry 12.12. So now here 7 get cancelled, so 22 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 12.12 and divided by 3, so they give 622.16 centimeter cube. So capacity of conical cup is 622.16 centimeter cube. This is the capacity of conical cup. Here they are say semicircle sheet of material, its diameter is 28 and bend into a open conical cup. So we can say here slant height of a conical cup is equal to radius of a semicircle, because they are bend into a open conical cup. So these are a slant height. These are we are bend in this way, means sorry, these BC are bending in this way, and this is A is a this center A in this way. So their diameter is 28 and radius is R. So we can say that slant height of a conical cup is equal to radius of semicircle of sheet, that is 14. Another example. Find the volume of a largest right circular cone that can be cut off cube whose edge is 9 cm. Means find the volume of largest circular cone. हमको लार्जेस्ट कोन की वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना है, एंड दे कैन बी कट ऑफ क्यूब, वो क्यूब में है. सो क्यूब ऑफ हुच साइड इज 9 cm. इन द क्यूब ऑल साइड्स आर सिमिलर. सो दिस इज द क्यूब, ऑल साइड्स आर सिमिलर. सो इन द क्यूब, उस क्यूब में हम कोन ड्रॉ करेंगे, तो वो कोन की वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना है. द बेस ऑफ अ लार्जेस्ट right circular cone will be the circle inscribed in the face of the cube, and its height will be equal to the edge of the cube. Because of height are equal, because all sides are equal in cube. So radius of the base of a cone is equal to R. So divided by side divided by 2 means 9 divided by 2, and height is h is 9 because all sides are same. So here diameter of cone of base is 9, so radius is half of 9. So radius is half of 9. So ये क्यूब में हम एक कोन निकाला. So here base are touching to all of this side, and height is 9, top to bottom 9 cm. So volume of cone is 1/3 of pi r square h. Here r is a 9/2 square and h is a height, means 9. So 1/3 22 divided by 7, 9 square, and here also 2 square divided by 9. So 3 3 is a 9. So 22 multiplied by 3 and 9 square, that is 81, and 7 multiplied by 2, 2 square, so 7 multiplied by 4. So they give 190.93 centimeter cube. So volume of required cone is 190.93 centimeter cube. ये solve करेंगे तो 190.93 centimeter cube आएगा. That is the volume of required cone. Means ये क्यूब में जो कोन दिया है उसकी वैल्यू आएगी 190.93 centimeter cube. So last example we can take. A cylinder is within the cube touching all the vertices vertical face. A cone is inside the cylinder. If their height are same, with the same base, height and base are same, find the ratio of these volumes. हमको रेशियो फाइंड करना है. हमको 3 दिया हुआ है. 1 is cube, second is cylinder, and third is cone. So एक क्यूब है, उसमें सिलेंडर है, एंड उस सिलेंडर में कोन है. So हम तीनों का रेशियो फाइंड करना है, वॉल्यूम का रेशियो फाइंड करना है तीनों का. सो वी नो दैट वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब इज ए क्यूब, मीन्स लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई बाय हाइट मल्टीप्लाई बाय ब्रीथ. सो दे आर, सो थर्ड आर इक्वल, breadth are also equal, length are also equal, and base are also equal. So a multiplied by a multiplied by a means a cube unit. So volume of cube is, that is V1 is equal to a cube unit. So is the length of each of the cube. So this is shown in a figure. So this is a cube, and in that cube this is a cylinder, and in this cylinder make a cone, and here height is a, and here base is also a, so radius is a by 2, means that is the diameter is a, so radius is a by 2. So since cylinder is within the cube and it touch all of a vertices face of cube, so radius of base of cylinder उसकी radius क्या आएगी a by 2 आएगी, means this cylinder की radius a by 2 and height is also a, because of height is same a. So volume of cylinder is V2 is pi r square h. So r is equal to a by 2, that is square, and h is a. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So 22 divided by 7 multiplied by a square and 2 square multiplied by a. Now here 2 divided by 22, that is gives 11. So 11 and the remaining is 2. So 7 multiplied by 2 is 14, and a square multiplied by a, that is a cube. So V2 is equal to 11 divided by 14 a cube unit, means ये वॉल्यूम है सिलेंडर का. So volume of cylinder is 11 divided by 14 a cube unit. Now we find करेंगे कोन का. Now cone is a draw inside the cylinder which that it has the same base and same height. उस सिलेंडर एंड कोन की बेस सेम है एंड हाइट ऑल्सो सेम. So radius are also same and height are also same. So volume of cone is, that is V3 is equal to 1/3 of pi r square h. So radius are also same, a by 2 whole square, and height is a. Here also 2 multiplied by 22 divided by 2 means 11, and a square multiplied by a is a cube, and 3 multiplied by 7 and 7 multiplied by 2 because of square. So they give V3 is equal to 11 divided by 42 a cube unit. Now we can take a ratio, that is V1, V2, V3. This is the ratio. So first one is only a3, and second is 11 divided by 14 a square. This is the cube, this is the cylinder, 11 divided by 14 a cube, and this is the cone, 11 divided by 42 a cube. So this term we can multiply by 42, all are multiplied by 42. So they give 42 a cube, and 42 multiplied by 11, 14. So 45, and these are multiplication. So उसका आंसर आएगा, that is 33, and here 42. So 42 get cancelled. So 11 a3. So means value is 42, and इसका आंसर 33, and only remaining are 11, that is 11. So ratio is 42, 33 and 11. And AR both are common, so they are constant. So ratio of their volume is 42, 33 and 11. 42 is a volume of cube, and 33 is a cylinder, and 11 is a cone. This is the ratio. Now we are stop here.